This year, we are celebrating our revered Heroes Day on the 14th of August, this Monday. Nationally, we will be celebrating at the National Heroes Gala, and of course the ZDF Day will be celebrated once again on the 15th of August, which is the next day, at the National Sports Stadium. The celebrations will be also held in all other provinces. Ladies and gentlemen, the Heroes Day commemoration is in recognition and remembrance of all who sacrificed their lives to liberate the country from the yoke of colonialism. We can never forget the significance of the role they played in waging the war of liberation. Our defense forces continue to steadfastly defend our sovereignty, preserve our security and peace. We also celebrate the role they play in community development. I'm therefore calling on Zimbabweans to throng the National Heroes Gala on the 14th of August and the National Sports Stadium on the 15th of August to commemorate the Heroes and Defense Forces Day, respectively. Let us all show our appreciation and support for the gallantry exhibited by our sons and daughters of Zimbabwe to fight against the repressive Smith regime. As usual, buses will be made available from the usual pickup points to ferry people to the National Heroes Gala on Monday, as I said, on the 14th of August. And also the next day, there will be also buses ferrying people to the National Sports Stadium. Let me say at this point, celebrations will all over in other provinces, and to that effect, buses will also be available in all the provinces where the celebrations will be taking place. And a Heroes musical concert featuring more than 20 artists will be held, and at this time, this gala will be held in Rusape at Vengere Stadium on the night of the 15th of August. After the Defense Forces celebrations, all roads will lead to Vengere Stadium in Rusape, where a star-studded lineup is expected to give a dazzling performance, making it a show which shouldn't be missed. The musical gala will start at 6 p.m. and end as usual at 6 a.m. the next morning. And this musical gala will be broadcasted live by ZBC. Let us all converge at Vengere Stadium, that's in Manicaland province, to put the icing on the Heroes and Defense Forces Day commemorations through song and dance. Entry into the show, as usual, is free. Let's celebrate together. This is for us Zimbabweans, our National Heroes Day and our Defense Forces Day. I thank you.